Welcome to Bare Genes. Hi, my name is Dr. Jamie Fraser, and I am a medical biochemical geneticist and neuroscientist here in the Rare Disease Institute at Children's National Hospital in Washington, D.C. My research focuses on the brain changes associated with rare disorders that impact how brain cells function. My team's goal is to understand how these genetic conditions actually cause disease in brain cells and in the brain as a whole, so that we can identify new and better ways to treat these very rare conditions. I strive to improve the care of my patients by developing a clear understanding of their rare medical condition and the difficulties it can cause, and then find ways to improve medical treatments to help kids live their best lives with less fear and worry. I work with several families who are affected by ultra-rare genetic disorders of the brain to help develop treatments for these conditions. One of my patients, Ryan, is affected by an ultra-rare disorder called mitochondrial membrane protein associated neurodegeneration, or MPAN. While we know the name of the gene that causes MPAN, we don't know what the protein that is made from that gene does. Recently, scientists were able to show that the protein is located on the membrane of a special part of the cell called the mitochondria, which makes energy so that all cells can do their jobs. Just knowing where a protein lives within the cell helps us understand what it might be doing, but it doesn't tell us enough. So Ryan's family asked us to learn more about that protein and the condition itself to help find a way to treat or cure MPAN. Rare and ultra-rare disorders are harder to study. Fewer patients are affected, and it is often difficult to obtain funding for rare disease research from typical funding sources, especially for early-stage work. New, advanced treatments are only made possible because very motivated families, advocacy groups, scientists, clinical care teams, and physicians come together as a team to raise funds and develop research plans to understand the disease and find ways to treat it. We have done it before. I am hopeful we can do it again. Ryan and other kids like him depend on it. Thank you for watching Bare Genes.